Good stay in at Fukui within reach of Dinosaur Museum. This was the closest hotel to Fukui Prefectural Dinosaur Museum that allowed booking with no credit card. They have a nice spacious entrance for your room unlike most local hotels. And they have free parking for guests and are conveniently next to a gas station. The free breakfast inclusion was a great value for money as well. The hourly extension beyond the normal 10 a.m. checkout is a bit pricey, but I guess it's a fair trade-off for the other benefits. Definitely recommended. Fantastic place with nice breakfast. It has a very good location, especially if you want to do workshops nearby, which I highly recommend, like knife workshop or lacquerware workshop. Thanks. Exceptional clean and good staff. Full of facilities. Exceptional. The map coordinates of this hotel provided by Agoda is incorrect. The map coordinates of this hotel on Google Maps is correct. Clean, budget-friendly hotel. A little distance from the city center, but the surrounding view and air is top-notch. It's fairly new, have McDonald's, Donkey and supermarket just around the corner. Beside it is Lawson's. The breakfast is amazingly good.